what's up guys, it's Caitlin, and I haven't talked to you guys in for so long. I'm so excited to be back, and I have a super exciting video for you guys this week. I am going to be doing a DIY bonfire party with your friends, and I'm super excited, and I had so much fun, decorating, being with my friends. It was so great. You guys should try this before fall is over. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!
Last night I lay in bed so blue, 'cause I realized the truth, they can love me like you.
Live my day as if it was the last. Live my day as if there was no past. Doing it all night, all summer. Doing it the way I wanna. Yeah, I'ma dance my heart out till the dawn.
There's an energy when you hold me, when you touch me. It's so powerful, I can feel it. When you hold me, when you touch me. It's so powerful.
They tried to romance me, but you got that nasty, and that's what I want.
Leave this blue neighborhood. Never knew loving could hurt this good. Oh, and it drives me wild.
Welcome to my house, baby, take control now. We can't even slow down, we don't have to go a while. Welcome to my house, play that music too loud. Show me what you do now, we don't have to go a while.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel and leave comments below of what you want to see for winter, because winter's coming and I'm super excited. And I'll see you guys next week. Bye!
The very first time we